This how to 1 minute will show you how to see website traffic in GoDaddy. First of all, log into your GoDaddy account and click on your name and click on My Product. Once you are here, scroll down and click on Websites plus Marketing. And now I want to see traffic for this website. So I'm clicking on Manage. On your dashboard, scroll down, scroll to the section called Here's How You're Performing. And then here you will get your site visitors, orders, sales, social views and booking. So that's how we can see traffic in GoDaddy website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.